Meeting is there live.
You mind opening up for us, officer?
Morning, everyone. City prosecutor. Here.
Good morning, Ms. Mason.
Good morning.
You mind opening up for us?
Welcome to 36th District Court for the City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session. While on Zoom, please, there will be no hand wraps, no over talking to judge. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. All right.
Please remove all hats.
No driving either. You gotta sit up. It's not, sit up, please, or turn your camera off until I call you. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I can't hear you. This is the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? This is the city of Detroit versus Clay Martez Little. Case number SP 155911. 3-3, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Little.
Clay Martez Little.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We've been our not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. He's got matters that are in default. 1, 2, 3, 4. Failure to defective brake light, failure to signal and stop. Let's see what that means. Failure to signal, stopping, expired plates and defective equipment. 120, 145, 105, and 120. Those are in default, so you gotta pay those. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. What's the recommendation? Let me see. Recommendation from the people is for him to improper plate. Are you crossing that out? Or is that separating from
The separation line, Judge.
any other revised offer because he owes all those other monies?
Oh, that's the revised again offer. That's the judge. Sorry for the inconvenience or any confusion.
No, I'm saying, did you understand he owes 120, 105, 145, and 120 on the two matters are related to this ticket, and the other two matters happened just before that.
On the off docket, failure to stop the stop sign, that'll be a 1 to 5, reduced to a 1 to 5. You're up. The rest would be dismissed.
Well, I hadn't planned on setting those aside, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
So are you willing to give him a revised offer based on his having to pay those other dollar amount?
Oh,
So,
yes, Your Honor, I will. I can just dismiss it. Yes.
Mr. Miller, with Mr. Little, we're gonna dismiss this case SP 155911133. And I'll waive the warrant fee. And then you have to pay the other matters that are in default, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Hillary Gardner. Hillary Nicole Gardner, are you there?
Hey, what, the rest of it.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Hillary Nicole Gardner, case number SP 1523828, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance, Griffith, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
My name is Hillary Nicole Gardner.
Today is the date and time set for it's set for trial. This is passive. This is passive. Do you have valid license and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Let's run Mr. Gardner's license, please, Mr. Master. Let's see the insurance, Mr. Gardner.
My driver's license. Do you want my driver's license number?
No, I'm about to run the license. I just want to see the insurance.
Okay.
Pull up a copy of it, please.
Are you able to use my policy number?
I need a copy of the insurance.
Okay, 1 second.
All right, I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass that matter. License is valid. City of Detroit versus Ayana Tawana Gordon, case number SP 1543192, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1543193, counts 1, counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Hello.
Your Honor, that's retained counsel. I just wanted to check.
Is that retained?
I thought I saw Fillmore under one of her cases. I'm not sure.
It is Phil. It does say Fillmore. Let me look and see. Miss Gordon, do you have a retained lawyer?
No, sir.
Where is she? You got to turn your camera on.
Or did you have an attorney appointed?
The last time I was on here, I was told it would be one appointed to me.
And you never got contact?
No.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's get this lawyer on the line. Thank you, Ms. Harris. Let's see if we can find Fillmore, right?
Okay.
What about attorney? Let's see what's on one of these cases. 921. James Allen Fillmore. You want to phone number? You got it? Gabrielle G, who is Gabrielle G? Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your last name, man?
Griffith.
Is that with an I or an E?
Both.
Well, all right, so I'm gonna assume that it's an F-E-N, right?
Griffith.
I-E-T-H.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Trial, we'll give the officer a half-hour grace period. Let's see, Fernandez. And we're waiting on Harrington. They won't, they're not supposed to be here till 9. We give them a half-hour grace period. If they don't show up by 9:30, we'll get you out of here, all right?
All righty.
If they do show up, we'll get you an offer, we'll get you, well, it won't be an offer in here, it'll be as charged. No, it will, what I call a non-offer, it will be a $240 fine, 2 points on your record, and an alcohol-related offense on your record. That's the same as if you pled straight up. So let's give them a minute, all right? Logan Walker, he was supposed to be here, it looks like the 15th. We'll arraign him. We don't have a file, but we'll arraign him. City of Detroit versus Logan Walker, case number SP 1259593, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Logan Walker. All right, he's gone. All right, let's pass that now. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I'll give you your opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, I do have a valid license for your client without insurance.
And I have seen her valid insurance, Your Honor.
All right, any objection to dismissing for providing valid documentation, Ms. Mason?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, dismiss, ma'am. Have a great day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Ramon London. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning, sir. You got into a payment plan. So you're done with me. Best of luck on that payment plan. The one case will be dismissed if you finish paying it off, and the other case will be closed out, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you. Dominique Owens.
Good morning, Judge Perkins.
Good morning. Did we call the Bill, the attorney?
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
No, I was talking about from this board.
That's my wall. No, it's not on me. Oh, when will I take my
All right, City of Detroit versus Dominique Owens, case number SP 1468853, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1528076, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 157012441. Let's see what we're gonna do with this other one. think it's still ready, though. SP 1570123 Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Dominique Owens.
Good morning, Dominique Owens, Judge Perkins.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Owens.
Today is the date and time set. So I'm gonna say it one more time. Good morning, Ms. Owens.
Good morning, Judge Perkins.
You know, keep on saying it too. Let's see, 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8 into the record. There's 8 on there. Let's see what the city is willing to offer you to resolve these, man.
Okay.
Do you have a valid license and stuff?
No, unfortunately, I went to court with Dearborn. They said the ticket from 2016. I saw the judge. He said that I have to pay $860. The warrant got lifted up, but I have to pay $860 to get my license. I said I'm not understanding why I have to pay that much. And the ticket from 2016. And then when I asked them, can I get on a payment plan? And they asked me at the collection window, how much can I pay? I said $20 because I'm on a fixed income. And he said, well, I have to go up higher than that. And I told him I can't do that because I'm not working right now. And he said, well, someone from the collection office will be contacting me, but I still haven't heard nothing from them. And it's been since last month. So I am in court. So I contacted them yesterday, and the woman says she's still waiting for the judge to see how much the judge say I can pay every month.
All right.
I said, well, I have to go to court.
So it is, you're not gonna like it here because the city wants you to pay just as much. Here's the offer on 8 counts. Failure to just pleading straight up to the allowing, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. Amended count of improper plate, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. Another amended proper plate, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. Another amended count of failure to display, that will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry in place, $240 fine. And just for good measure, they offer you a failure to stop, a 1 to 5. That's 1 point and $125. That's the offer from the city. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, have a conversation with her, and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter. That gets me down to Royce.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your full name, sir?
Royce Anthony Garinger.
Garinger, there you are. You're at a formal hearing, and Mr. Officer Willie Robinson just showed up. He is on time, and we can get you an offer and see where this goes.
Okay.
I think I have Garinger's file. Should have Garinger's file, and I do. City of Detroit versus Royce Anthony Garinger. Case number SP 158-77571, SP 158-77581. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garinger.
Royce Anthony Garinger.
All right, Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for formal hearing. Officer Robinson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Where'd he go? All right, the offer for Mr. Garinger is anything like Ms. Owens. I know you're not gonna like it, but here it is. No offer, no offer. So I guess either you take it or we have a hearing. Can't get any worse than that.
Take the hearing.
All right. Let's in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Join the room, have a private conversation with Mr. Berry, and then Mr. Berry will advise, pass the matter.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Well,
Your Honor, I have two dockets. What page is Mr.
it's on
Gardner?
the first page, 830, formal hearing. One name of under Gladney.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass it. Are we ready, Miss? No. So we're waiting on a lawyer now. So we've seen all of those. Next up is going to be Greski.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you defendant or are you? I don't see you on the docket.
Go.
So I got a piece of paper in the mail saying I have a court date today at 8:35 with you for reckless driving.
Oh. Let's see. It's John
I got this
Greski.
thing in the mail. Yes, John Greski.
John Allen Greski.
Yes.
All right, that's what it says. Oh, but for some reason it's 3865. Oh, for some reason they have you under a different judge.
Okay.
It's David Perkins, okay. This must be an old case.
Huh?
Okay, no, all right. All right, very well. We'll wait. No response from. Very good. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding you want a bench trial.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Is that correct, Ms. Owens?
Yes, sir.
All right, October the 4th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Ms. Owens. There's nothing further. You have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Mr. Perkins.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus John Allen Greski, case number SB 159-43121. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. All I can hear
Sure.
is a dog barking.
Whose dog is that barking?
Mine, sir.
And I'm gonna mute you, please. All right, go ahead. Appearance for the record, Ms. Harris for Mr. Greski. He's not on the docket today. Well, they have him listed under David Perkins, who's no longer with this court. But I am the actual judge. So
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Greski, please state your name.
John Allen Greski.
he should be on the docket. Though. Let's see, 8:35. We have the file here. Oh, they brought it up. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer on a reckless, usually it's a drag racing 4-point offense. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, have a conversation with her, and then I'm going to get confirmation on what the city offering on this. But as it stands right now, it's a reckless $240 fine, 4-point offense, and you have an absolute right to a trial. Talk to Ms. Harris and let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Mr. Greski?
All right.
Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, may I intrude a moment? I am not finding Mr. Royce on my dockets. Can you help me?
Garinger, so he's got an accident ticket and a
Garinger. Garinger is his name, not Royce.
Royce
Okay.
Anthony Garinger.
Oh, all right.
It's right under, it's 830. It's got Daniel Gladney. He has 3 cases, and then he's under Gladney.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to return.
Do you have it?
I do. I have the right name. I should be all right.
Very well. There's a ticket here, and the ticket does not have any information. It just has improper left turn, Harper Avenue, Mount Elliott. And on another ticket, it's got accident, defective, or missing equipment. And it doesn't have any notes to suggest what that's about.
All right. What offer? What's the offer? Could you?
It's no offer. That's
No.
what mystifies me. All right.
All right. We'll be right back.
Talk to Ms. Mason.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go to breakout room 4. I don't know how you ended up in breakout room 2.
I was looking for Mr. Barry, and I thought I could catch him right quick. I'll go to 4.
We're going to wait on the lawyer now. Attorney Fillmore.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon is here. You were here set on here to be appointed to represent Ms. Gordon. I don't know if you've had any conversation with her or not. I think she told me she hasn't had any conversation with her.
I have not, Your Honor.
Very well. Okay, Ms. Gordon, are you there now?
Yes.
All right, so let's recall it. This is the city of Detroit versus Aniyah Tawana Gordon. Case number SB 1543192, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1543193, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Gordon.
Ms. Gordon, what's your name for the record, please?
Excuse me, Judge. Can you hear us?
Go
Can
ahead.
you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Let's go. We're on the record recording. Go ahead. Ms. Gordon, state your name for the record, please.
Aniyah Tawana Gordon.
Aniyah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to mispronounce it. I was going to say Aniyah too at first. I said that one to myself. But I got it wrong. Sorry about that. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer, as it's written in the file, Mr. Fillmore, and Ms. Gordon, I'm going to give you a little bit of time to get acquainted with Mr. Fillmore.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to give him the offer first. For some reason, I misplaced Mr. Gordon on the docket. Oh, I see. All right, I'm going to give him the offer. The offer as it stands right now, Mr. Fillmore, for your client is going to be failure to display, $240 fine. No offer on the disregarding the traffic control device. 1 to 5 on the other disregarding a red signal, limited access. So it's going to be a $240 for the failure to display. It will abstract to the Secretary of State or won't carry any points. No offer on the disregarding the traffic control device. That's 3-point offense. There is disregarding a red signal. Limited access 1 to 5. One of them is $130, I believe. And both of them are $130. Well, one is going to be $125 because it's going to be amended. I believe this is one of those cases, if you don't already have a license, you take 2 moving violations, you won't be eligible for a license for at least 2 years. The question, the jury is still out about whether it's a never acquired or it's a driving without with a suspended license, whether it's going to affect that for the next 2 years. But I'm going to say that he's going to affect her license for the next 2 years. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Gordon, and you guys get acquainted. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Gordon, so keep that in mind. And you have a very good lawyer that can put you in the breakout room. All right.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, just before I go in there, how many counts are there on the docket today? My notice to appear only has the disregarding.
It's 5 counts. All of them appear to be the same instance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Understood. All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Okay, who are we ready on?
Judge, my court case started at 9.
Who's that?
I'm Trinity Granum. You gotta change my name on the screen.
I can't even see.
Oh, hold on. Sorry.
All right. All right, so 9 o'clock, yours is set for trial. Good morning to you. We're going to give the officer half a grace period from 9 o'clock. If the officer doesn't show by 9:30, then we'll get you out of here. We'll dismiss the case. If the officer does show, we're going to get you in a breakout room to speak with the attorney once we give you the offer. You have an absolute right to a trial, and the day is that date and time set for that, all right?
Okay.
All right. That's
Good morning, Your Honor.
Kenya. Who's that? Who just said something?
Oh, that was corporate starch. I was just checking in. I was in the break room talking with Madison.
You've been in here. I got you. You've been in here. You're the first officer that showed. Good morning to you.
I was at. Do you still need me? Me and Madison already talked.
I don't know.
Okay, I hang around. I hang out.
Okay, I don't know what, whether the person is.
It's me, Your Honor. It's me, Your Honor.
Oh, you're here. So what, all right, let's call it. City of Detroit versus Ivan Lee Land, case number SD 158-68151. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Ivan Land.
All right, what's going to happen? Corporal starts. Good morning. You put your appearance on the record, please.
Corporal Starks, badge 3119.
Detroit Police.
Detroit Police.
All right, good morning. What's going to happen with this case?
Yeah, and I have no memory of this case. I have no notes.
Case dismissed, no recollection. There's nothing
Thank
further.
you, thank you, officer.
Okay.
Have a good weekend.
Stay safe out there, both of you.
Thank you. Take care.
All right.
Your Honor, James Lackey here.
I know. Good morning to you.
I got insurance and everything now too, so I just wanted to.
All right. All right. Let's see. We're waiting on lawyers now, so. Waiting on lawyers. So next person up, Aniyah Estefina. We're waiting on an interpreter.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
You're here, Mr. Solis?
Yes.
Solis?
Correct. Police.
I can't really hear you.
Hector Police, Spanish interpreter.
Yeah, it's not coming through correct. I don't know what you're doing. If you have an earpiece in or something, those usually don't work out that well, but some way we got to be able to hear you a little better.
Okay. I'll try again. Is this any better?
Much. Good morning to you.
Slightly. Okay. I'm gonna try to dial back in.
No, it's much better. It's much better. He left again. Who's on the iPhone 2?
I'm on the iPhone. I'm Persia Gordon.
No, I'm talking about the iPhone 2. Good morning, Miss Gordon.
Good morning.
iPhone 2, you're just named iPhone 2. What is your name? Let me see if I said the gentleman sitting there, you're speaking, but I can't hear you.
Levance Golden.
Would you say
Levance
now?
Golden.
Golden?
Levance Golden. Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you in the driver's seat?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, if I could speak with the prosecutor in a breakout room just before we do go back on the record.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Fernandez is here. Gabrielle G. Where's Gabrielle G's spot?
I'm here.
F3LG. There it is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon, Aniyah Gordon. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are ready now, Your Honor, when the court's ready.
What do you want to do?
Oh, we're setting for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Let's set the matter for trial on October the 4th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, Ms. Gordon. You have a lawyer now. You guys hopefully have exchanged numbers. Keep in contact, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a great
Good
day.
weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We ready on Greski?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record. John Allen Greski, giving you an opportunity. Case is going to be dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor. After discussion, there is a federal case pending, so this is being dismissed.
Okay. All right, there's nothing further, Mr. Greski. Case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus Gabrielle Griffith. Case number SB 156-22671. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Griffith, please state your name for the record.
Gabrielle Griffith.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Fernandez is here. What is going, the offer, we've already mentioned the offer to you, Ms. Griffin, is right now as it stands, open alcohol motive for passenger, 2-point offense, alcohol related offense on your driving record, and $240 fine. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak to Ms. Harris and Officer Fernandez. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yep. Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Okay, good morning. Name, the badge number, and department.
Let me Officer Francisco Fernandez, Detroit Police Department, badge number 1310.
All right. Turn your camera on, please. All right, good morning to you. I'm gonna let the parties talk and then we'll see where it goes and if it necessitates a trial, then we'll do that.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Griffin, join the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris, okay? On the iPhone, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself and start your camera. What's your name, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning. Levance, Lamar Golden.
No, let's go with the people I've already spoken to. You don't need to, I'm not addressing you. It's the iPhone. Came in the room, I just let him in the room. I'm sending you the prompt to start your camera and unmute yourself. If you can't do that, I'm gonna put you out the room. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Officer, what's your name, please?
Officer Kaylin Johnson,
Johnson?
badge 1585.
All right, good morning to you. Breakout room, you can speak with the city attorney.
Okay.
Judge, I need to speak with Officer Fernandez as well, so I'm going to put him in breakout room 1.
Very well. Mr. Officer Fernandez, go back to breakout room 1, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. I'm working from covering for Garrett this morning too.
Louis Lyons.
Yeah, I have you waiting, Mr. Lyons. Good morning to you. Hey, good morning, everyone. If I didn't acknowledge you personally, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The interpreters jumped in but left out, never came back. The speaker, Señorita.
Hi, sir. Good morning. And no speak English.
See. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We want to hold trial, Your Honor.
Speak to Ms. Let Ms. Mason know that.
I will. She was speaking with officers, so I was just waiting until she was finished.
Very well. Let's continue on then. City of Detroit, Bruce Mason versus Louis Edward Lyons. Case number SP 125-4014, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 125-42691, SP 136-8540, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 159-7352, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 159-73531. Appearance for the records, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lyons, please state your name for the record.
Louis Edward Lyons.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the docket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4 of what you recently got. So you're going to need to get an updated offer. They keep stacking up on you, Mr. Lyons. Ms. Harris, please get an updated offer from the city attorney and get it to Mr. Lyons. He has an absolute right to a trial.
If the court could inform as to what the additional 4 matters are, it would be appreciated.
The additional 4 matters are unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, improper plates, and a driving while license revoked. Pretty much the same as the other stuff, all document tickets.
Thank you.
All right, pass the matter. Counselor, good morning to you. Aisha. Lose.
Your Honor, Corporal Baker, I was advised that my case was adjourned
Pardon me?
for Gordon. I was advised that my case was adjourned for Gordon, not Gordon.
I can't hear you, Corporal Baker.
I said I
Judge,
was
I can
advised
speak for
the
him.
case was
Yeah,
adjourned.
he was here on the Gordon case with with Attorney Fillmore. He was here on the Fillmore matter.
Okay, so they're gonna set a trial date for that.
Right. So he just wants to tell you he's leaving.
Very well. All right. Corporal Baker, have a good day. Stay out there. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. You too, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Perry, your client, Mr. Garinger, what's gonna go on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garinger. Let's go, what's gonna go on with this case? I see you sent some photos.
One, Your Honor, one photo, Your Honor. We're going to have the trial, and the photo is a picture taken at the scene of the alleged improper left turn.
And Sergeant Kelly, good morning to you. Are you here on Garinger as well?
Yes, she is, Your Honor. This is city prosecutor.
Yes.
State your name for the record, please, and your badge, department and badge number.
Oh, okay. Yes, Sergeant Serena Kelly, badge S1111.
Okay. Good morning to you. All right. So, have you discussed this with Miss Mason first, Mr. Berry?
No, I have not, Your Honor.
Why don't you do that first? The photos has Miss Mason seen those photos?
Again, Your Honor, good reason to talk to her and get her the photo.
Very well. Breakout room 4, please. Okay, let's pass the matter. All right, now, senior interpreter. Mr. Counselor, good morning to you. Who's your client? Haysha. Counselor Haysha, what's your client's name?
Judge Eric Golden. He's on his Eric G. It's a no insurance ticket. I have the insurance.
Good morning to you.
How are you, Judge?
Well.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hector Solis, Spanish interpreter.
Okay, let me do this one case, and then Eric G is Eric who?
Golden. That's my client, Your Honor.
Golden, I, for some reason, don't see him on the docket today. Let's see.
SP 159 38861.
845 document. He's on 845?
Yeah, he's right up under your land.
Eric Golden.
Eric, yes.
Eric Lamargo?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's got all kind of cases on the warrant status.
What, does he have is it a CCW and warrant status? Because we had written him out on that.
He has, the cases that are warrant status, improper license. Improper license, firearms ordinance, driving while license suspended, no insurance. All in warrant status.
Well, that is news to me. We walked him in on his arraignment day, July 19th, and none of those were there.
Another no ops from 2019. Oh, it's under David A. Perkins. That's why it's not on our docket. Then I have this no insurance misdemeanor, the new case. So we may not be talking about the same Gordon then.
There might be a different one, Your Honor. He texted me and has indicated that's likely not him. I think there's another one. Maybe we can cross-reference the date of birth.
I have middle name Eric Lamar Gordon Jr., so that must be maybe his father. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Eric Lamar Gordon Jr. Case number SB 1-593-8861. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning. Vincent Hayes appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Eric Golden, who's present via Zoom with no objection. Your Honor, for the record, my P number is 76506.
All right, good morning to you. And Mr. Gordon, state your name for the record, please.
Eric, state your name.
Eric Golden.
Golden, I'm sorry. This call today, the date and time set for a pre-trial. You say you've seen the copy of the insurance, counselor?
I have it, yes, Your Honor. It's a certificate of no fault that was has an effective date as to 6/29/2024 from the Progressive Michigan Insurance Company.
I'm gonna dismiss the case as an offer of court. I'm gonna accept your representation that the insurance is valid. Case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Judge, thank you much. Eric, you can log off. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Hey, Lou. Hold on a second. What's your name, sir, on the telephone?
Maurice Wallace.
Again, say that again, please.
Maurice Wallace.
Maurice Wallace?
Yes.
Are you sure you're in the right courtroom?
I'm trying to figure out how to get in the courtroom. But I got a court date for 8/2/24.
No, you're not in the right courtroom, and the date is August the 5th.
I know, but I have another one for August the 2nd.
Your birthday is 10/7/64?
Yes, sir. I have another ticket for to be heard on August the 2nd.
August the 2nd.
Yes.
Show cause. Maurice O'Neill Wallace, right?
Yes.
You have to go to Judge Marlena Taylor. What's Marlena Taylor's courtroom number? 337. You have to dial 36. You have to log into 360-337-0000. 360-337-0000. If you have a problem, we'll call over here for you, but they should let you in there, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, sir. Mr. Interpreter, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please? Did we lose him again? Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, I need Mr. Garinger back in the breakout room.
He's in 2. Go to 2.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Garinger in breakout in room 2. Back in the room you were in already.
Okay.
I don't know what this interpreter is doing. All right, we're waiting on lawyer. Ready on anybody? Not yet. First Gordon.
Yes, good morning, Judge Perkins.
Good morning. I don't see you on the docket.
They gave me a date.
You said what? Yeah. That's David and Perkins again. Somebody's really messing up now.
They also gave me a court
Yeah,
date.
you're here. You're here. That's just
Okay.
They put it under David Perkins again.
I'm not supposed to be at your courtroom?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
These are all the ones in. Okay, good. Yeah. Are we ready? All right, let's go back on the record with Gabrielle G. That's Gabrielle Griffith. Apparently there's a recommendation for a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor. It was my understanding there was no recollection by the officer, so the people were recommending a dismissal.
Okay. Dismiss, no recollection. I have a very good day. I know you don't object to that, do you, Miss?
I have a no.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You guys have a great one.
All right. Don't drink your gin and juice in the car.
Never ever catch me doing it.
Have a good day, man. So that gets me down to
And we're ready on Lyons.
Let's go back on the record with Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
It's twofold, Your Honor. We respectfully request the court to possibly check the status of his license. He was able to present insurance and registration.
I don't know if that's necessary. We'll check the status of his license, but Mr. Lyons should know. Let's check Mr. Lyons' license, please.
And he's possibly waiting for a letter to come from Lansing, but I just thought maybe he might be surprised and the status changed before he got the letter.
Okay. We'll check it, Mr. Lyons.
We're ready as to Mr. Garinger, Your Honor.
If the license is no good on Lyons, then what are we gonna do?
We're respectfully requesting if the court would allow another pre-trial date, just to get him some time to get that cleared up with Lansing, or a trial date if the court prefers to set the matter for trial.
This is like a whole novel written up.
Yeah.
not valid. We'll give him a trial date, October the 4th. He can get up, well, when did Lyons come in here on?
Pre-trial.
And we'll give him a trial date, October the 4th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lyons, trial, October the 4th, okay? Best of luck to you on that license. Have a good day. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Michael Garrett Jr. Case number, and this is the state of Michigan, strike that. The state of Michigan versus Michael Garrett Jr. SX4403641. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
And I'm sorry, Malcolm Garrett Jr. Is he there?
Unmute your device, Mr. Garrett.
Malcolm Garrett.
Yes,
State your name for the record, please, sir.
Malcolm Garrett Jr.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for help me out, Councilman.
I don't see his name on the docket. I apologize.
He may be on this.
Or do I?
Well, he's on the list here. He's on the, I'll see what it is. It's a funny docket today. Pre-trial, he's set for also on, they put him on Judge Perkins, on Perkins' number as well, David Perkins. Pre-trial, there's really no offer on this one, Mr. Garrett. Plead as charged, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial. 2 points on your license, alcohol-related offense on your license. Speak to Mrs. Harris about it and let us know what you want to do when you come back. Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Garinger. What's going to happen with this ticket?
Your Honor, my client, Mr. Garinger, is prepared to enter a responsible plea to 1 to 5 miles over. The other matter would be dismissed.
And 1 to 5, let's just say to the left turn, or what doesn't matter which one.
Right. Improper left turn, though, is the charge.
Want to do that, Mr. Garinger?
Yes, Your Honor. I agree.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't hear you.
Mr. Berry, on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor. It was so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125, Mr. Garinger. When can you pay it?
Well, I can pay it today.
I'm going to give you until Monday to get that in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Garinger. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Senior interpreter and officers Robinson and Sergeant Kelly, be safe out there. Have a good day. Senior interpreter.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, my name is Hector Solis, Spanish interpreter, qualified.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not involve confidential communication shall help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do.
All right, I need Miss Estefina Pina's case number or a full name for her, please, because I don't see her on the document.
Bueno, buenos días, señorita Estefanía Piña. Necesito su nombre completo porque no aparece aquí en las actas.
Ok, mi nombre completo es Juana Estefanía Piña García.
Yeah, okay. My full name is Juana Estefanía Piña García.
Does she have a case?
¿Tiene usted un número de algún caso?
Sí, es el número de hecho son 3. Es SP 1598 4361. OT.
¿Ok?
OT, ajá.
Ok. ¿Y el siguiente?
El siguiente es SP 1598 2301 OI. Y el siguiente es...
Just one is fine.
Okay, there were 3 cases. The first one is ST 15984361-OT. And the second thing.
That's fine. That's fine.
Está bien.
Juliana Estefania Piña García.
Estefanía Piña García.
Sí.
Juana, ¿correcto?
Juana.
Sí, correcto.
Juana, yes. Estefanía
Juana.
Piña García, correct.
City of Detroit versus Juana Estefania Piña Garcia, case number SP 1598230, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1598431. Appearance for the record, please.
Muy bien, entonces llamando al caso SP 1598-42301, la ciudad de Detroit en contra de Juana Estefanía Piña García. ¿Pueden declararse los presentes, por favor?
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, may I know the page she's on in the docket?
She's not. There's another one that's on the docket for David Perkins.
Así es, el señor Elwood S. Berry, el número de pila es P28880. ¿Y me puede dar el número del caso, su señoría? No, porque no se encuentra aquí en las actas.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You'll need to get an updated offer from Ms. Mason.
Bueno, entonces el día de hoy se está celebrando una audiencia en este horario determinado para una audiencia previa al juicio. Necesitamos una oferta de convenio actualizada de parte del señor Mason.
I'm going to give you the charges, which are the allegations of 16 to 20 over, a defective equipment, and a no-ops.
Entonces, los cargos que enfrenta, en el primer cargo eran 2. El primero es que se dio en velocidad de 16 a 20 millas por hora. El número 2 es que llevaba equipo fallo, y la tercera de no llevar licencia en su persona.
His defective equipment is a crack of a defective windshield.
En realidad, el equipo que no funcionaba es que el parabrisas estaba quebrado.
Ms. Pena, join Ms. Garcia, join breakout room 2 and wait on Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer and come in there and speak to you, okay?
Señorita Piña va a unirse a la señorita García y en unos momentos el señor Berry se va a acercar a usted. Van a salir a una cita privada.
Ok, gracias.
All right, thank you. Va a ser el número 2.
Senior interpreter, can you ask Mr. Alexander? I believe he needs an interpreter as well. Can you get his information, please?
Señor Alexander, Duver Alexander.
Sí.
Buenos días. Está usted aquí para una cita con el juez. Entonces me gustaría captar su nombre completo, por favor.
Duver Alexander Gavia Taborda.
Does he have a case number?
Gaviria.
Sí.
¿Y el segundo apellido?
Taborda.
Gaborta.
Sí.
¿Tiene usted un número de caso?
Número de caso, no recuerdo.
My name is Duver Alexander Gaviria Gaborta, and I don't recall having a case number.
Roman Torrendo? Not that. Repeat his full name again, please.
Ok. Su nombre completo una vez más. Duver, D-U-B chica E-R. ¿Correcto?
Sí.
Alexander, tal como se escucha. Gaviria,
sí.
D-A-B chica I-R-I-A.
And he doesn't have a case starting with the SP.
Correcto.
¿Tiene usted algún caso, un número de caso que comience con el SP?
No recuerdo.
I don't recall.
Tell me to spell his last name. Tell me to spell his full last name, please.
Me va a dar cómo se escribe su segundo apellido, por favor. Es G-A-B chica.
Sí.
Continúe.
A-V I R-I-A.
Okay. Correct spelling is D-U-V-E-R, first name, middle name Alexander. First last name Gaviria, T-A-V-I-R-I-A. Second last name Gaviria, G-A-V-I-R-I-A.
All right, I have it. So go ahead and break out the room and speak to.
Entonces se va a unir a una sala privada.
And then we'll get his going as well.
Okay, gracias.
No, not you, not you, Matt, senior interpreter. You go and break out with Miss Garcia, please.
Okay. Nos vemos en un segundo.
Okay, gracias.
All right, now what are we ready on? Ms. Harris, or let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel and Mr. Garrett in the breakout room. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client.
Yes, he's here. Go ahead.
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date. I did explain to him that he could have the opportunity to have appointed counsel, but he is willing to use house counsel on the day of his trial.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Garrett?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on October the 4th. at 9 a.m., all right?
All
Trial. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Do the same.
And I would also ask, I'm sorry, Your Honor, if discovery could be preserved in Mr. Garrett's matter in case House Counsel needs to review it.
Can you send Madam Ms. Mason an email asking her to preserve that discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will I get a copy as well?
When you come back, Jay should have all of that when you come back, all right?
Will I come to physical court?
If you need some time, pardon me, if you need some time, October the 4th. If you need some time to review it, or the lawyer at that time, we'll give her the time to do whatever they need to do.
No, I was asking, will it be physical court or will it be Zoom court?
It's like Burger King, you have it your way.
No, Your Honor, I'm asking, will I have to come in or will it be Zoom court again?
And I'm telling you, if you want to come in and do it, you can do it, or you can stay on Zoom.
Oh, okay, okay.
All right. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Garrett.
Yeah, it's always something I've done. That sugar.
All right, let's continue on.
Judge, can I get the boarding file? The one with Phil Moore.
Aniyah? That's gone.
I know, I need to.
All right. Let's move on. Pressure Gordon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Persia Sonia Gordon, case number SP 1559274, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 155-93261. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gordon, please state your name for the record.
Persia Lasagna Gordon.
Unfortunately, this is another one of those files that was mistakenly put under Judge Perkins, who's no longer with this court. He's over at circuit court, or probate court, let's say. And I'm going to give you the spelling of the name and case number. Ms.
Harris, I sent you a calendar with that.
I have it, thank you.
Some of them aren't on there. Gordon's not on there. None of these last ones you recall are on there.
Okay, I sent her another calendar.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The allegations are allowing a misdemeanor and no insurance and a defective brake light. Let's get an updated offer from Ms. Harris. And then you have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Gordon. We'll present you with that offer as soon as Ms. Mason gets back online, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now let's pass the matter. Let's get Grove. Dorothy Grove?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Dorothea.
Dorothea, I thought it was. I'm sorry. Good morning, Ms. Grove.
How are you this morning?
Very well.
Excuse me.
Born in '69, Ms. Grove?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Dorothea Grove, case number 202-125-541. Appearance to the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grove, please state your name for the record.
Dorothea Grove.
Ms. Grove, do you have a valid driver's license?
I do not. I am waiting to go to court in Dearborn. I have 1 in Dearborn and 2 in Taylor. So I'm waiting on my court date.
You got tickets all over Southeast Michigan, huh?
Oh my God. Well, they popping up like popcorn. Every time I go to the Secretary of State, I got another one I got to contend with.
No, they didn't pop up. They didn't pop up like popcorn. You had to get those tickets at some point, or somebody got those.
I did, but the old ones, now the new ones I know about, but the old ones, no, sir. They were there, and like it's been 20 and 30 years in between some of my cases, if you look. So
You haven't had a license in 20 to 30 years, huh?
I swear to God, my children, I raised my children catching the bus. I swear to goodness. So I haven't had a driver's license in that long. And now my children are in their 30s. And I really don't need one. I'm doing this because my daughter has a car in my name that she currently cannot register. So
You need to get a
yeah.
license. All right,
Yeah,
let's
so I
go.
gotta get it for my baby. So I got a court date in Dearborn. I have them left in Taylor, and they're like maybe in the next 2 weeks I should be done with them.
Okay, let's give Ms.
So
Grohl a trial date. I need some more trial dates, Ms. Mathis, please. Ten-four, October 4th. Have come in with a valid license now. We'll dismiss the case, all right?
will do. I'm working hard to get that done.
Best of luck to you, Ms. Grove. Have a very good day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Rachel Garrett. There's another one under, all of these are under, Judge. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Rachel Garrett, case number SP 1562161, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Garrett, please state your name for the record.
Rachel Lynn Garrett.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the day and time set for a pretrial.
Judge, this is a city prosecutor. You want the offer on right now, or you want me to give it to Miss?
Give it to her now, please.
Okay. Attorney Harris on the insurance dismissal, disregard red signal 1 to 5, expired place dismiss.
So 1 to 5 and dismissing the other stuff.
Yes, Your Honor.
You hear that, Mr. Garrett? That's going to be 1 point on your license and a $125 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial / formal hearing. You can speak with Ms. Harris if you choose to. What would you like to do?
Would you mind if I spoke with Mrs. Harris, please?
Not at all. All right, join the room, please. And then Ms. Harris, get an offer for
Ms. Gordon.
Ms. Gordon.
Okay.
Please. Yeah, I'll get that offer. Miss, I'll get the offer. Miss, we're off the record. Miss Mason, Miss Gordon is one of the nuns that's not on the document. She has an allowing and then no insurance misdemeanor and a defective brake light. What's the offer for Miss Gordon?
Delayed 3, dismiss the rest.
All right. So we'll get you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris right after we get after she gets finished talking with Ms. Garrett.
Thank you.
May I see Ms. Mason in 4, please?
You may. Yep. Ms. Mason, have you seen Officer Ross?
Ross.
I haven't, D. Ross, I haven't seen a D. Ross.
I haven't seen a D. Ross either, Your Honor.
Very well.
Let's see.
John, I think D. Ross was my officer.
I know you do.
But look, I got everything already. I got everything. I got my insurance, all that.
Congratulations, it's gonna be dismissed anyway, but that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Just waiting on the court reporter now.
Okay.
Hey, good morning to you, Mr. Lack.
Good morning.
They didn't call down there, they're not ready down there here. I know it's a lot.
It's a lot. It is.
Some of the stuff is basic.
And then you know, someone like me, I started
All right,
2003.
I'm done.
I come from the bottom.
You're gonna
So I can say it is defense.
Hey, Judge, did Duver Garvieria show up on the
Yes.
David Perkins jacket?
Yes, he's here.
Okay, did they want an offer on that one? What?
He's waiting the interpreter. What's the offer?
No offer on the 31 plus. The rest can be dismissed.
All right.
Judge, did the officer ever show up?
Let's see. Mark Wilson, did Mark Wilson ever show up? Nope. You won too. All right, we ready? All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus James Willie Lackey. Case number SP 1559101, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
James Lackey.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lackey.
All right, day is the date and time set for the trial. Case dismissed, no officer. Have a very good day, Mr. Lackey, and best of luck to you.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Trinity Granum. Case number SP 1563331, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Granum. Please state your name for the record.
Trinity Granum.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't see an Officer Wilson, Mark Wilson. Officer Mark Wilson. Hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, case is gonna be dismissed. Next time, don't drink it. You're not even supposed to have any gin and juice.
No, I wasn't.
All right, don't say anything. Case dismissed, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Your Honor, is it possible that the court could pull the driving record of Miss? I forgot who I went in right.
Rachel,
Miss
Garrett, Miss
Yes,
Garrett,
Miss Garrett. Yes.
pull the driving record, please. Madam Mathis. Okay, on the file for Gordon, Miss Harris, that would be as charged to the allowing and dismissing the other two. I believe that's what Ms. Mason said, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. We ready to go on, Estefina Pena Garcia, Mr. Barry?
Ready, Your Honor.
On the driving record of Garrett, it's, nothing, it's, she's had a few accidents, but nothing since 2021.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. They can't come out the breakout room?
Well, they certainly should have. The interpreter indicated that he could do it. I'll go back. There she is.
Now, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would
Mr. Barry.
Would avail herself of the updated offer.
Mr. Barry, he's got to interpret, Mr. Barry.
Sorry, Your Honor.
¿Cómo se declara entonces en el caso de la señora García? ¿Qué me puede decir, señor Barry? Le voy a explicar.
You must have those headphones in again.
No, Your Honor.
Why isn't that coming through loud enough?
I'm not sure.
That's better.
Entonces, se explica, disculpe, no me podía escuchar bien el juez, entonces se explica que van a tomar esa oferta actualizada a declararse que iba solamente en exceso de unas 5 millas por hora de velocidad.
Ok.
The offer is that she plead to 1 to 5 miles over, and all other matters will be dismissed.
La oferta es que se va a declarar que estaba excediendo de unas 5 millas por hora y que todos los cargos se van a retirar.
No logré escucharlo, se escucha distorsionado su audio.
Entonces explicó que se va a reducir el cargo a unas 5 millas en exceso de velocidad y se van a retirar todos los cargos.
Sí, muchas gracias.
You want to take that deal, ma'am?
¿Quiere tomar esa oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Entonces se estipula que se han comprobado todos los hechos para poder declararse, sí, así estipulados.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
Habrá causa probable para algún otro tema, así se estipula, su señoría.
All right, with that, you know it's going to be 1 point on your license and $125. You know that, Ms. Garcia?
Sabe, señorita García, que esto va a incurrir con un punto en contra de usted en su licencia de conducir y una multa de $125. ¿Está consciente de eso?
Sí, estoy consciente.
Yes, I'm aware.
Excuse me, Your Honor, if I may. And Mr. Interpreter, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit 43471. That offer on Ms. Garcia was 6 to 10, which is a 2-pointer.
Disculpe, está interviniendo el oficial mencionando que este exceso de velocidad de 6 a 10 millas sería una infracción de 2 puntos.
I'd like to return to the breakout room, Your Honor, if I may.
Me gustaría regresar a la sala privada una vez más, su señoría.
Who would you like to speak to, your client or Ms. Mason?
My client.
¿Quiere hablar con la señorita Mason o quiere hablar con su cliente? Su cliente.
Okay, now Ms. Garcia, the offer is different. It's 6 to 10, and it's 2 points on your license and $135.
Ahora, señorita García, para que sepa usted, se ha actualizado ese cargo de 6 a 10 millas en exceso de velocidad. Eso incurrirá 2 puntos negativos en su licencia de conducir y una multa de $135.
I'll put you back in the breakout room with your client, with your attorney. Go back in the breakout room, please. Breakout room 2.
Van a regresar una vez más a la sala privada número 2 con su abogado.
Ok, gracias.
All right, thank you.
Turn right onto 2nd Avenue. Then the destination is on your right.
Oh, where they came from?
But it came from the amazing. Oh, I see.
Thank you for the cookies, Ms. Mason. Ms. Cox. Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm not sure if I'm too late. I just had the message.
Well, we have an interpreter here. We have 2 people that need one. They're speaking. He's speaking to one of them in the breakout room now. So, yeah, I think we'll be okay.
Okay, well then, thank you so much. Have a good
great
day.
day, Ms. Cox. I'll see you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Judge, while we're waiting, I have an officer in the breakout rooms. I didn't know.
Garvin did never show up. Gunter is here.
Okay. Gunter's here, Garvin. You want me to leave?
Does he have a voice here? Does he have a phone? Find out if he has a phone he can Zoom. If not, tell him come on.
You want me to release Johnson?
You may.
Okay.
You know, Mr. I gotta say it, Mr. Golden, your driver's license just speaks that you just don't care about the laws of the road. Run his driver's license, please. He just doesn't care.
Ready as to Ms. Garcia, Your Honor.
All right. Is she gonna take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now we lost him too.
Well, we have Ms. Pena.
Let's go back on the record with, who are we ready on?
Juana Garcia.
No, we got it. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I'm giving you an opportunity again to speak to council. Do you want to take the 6 to 10 deal, Ms. Garcia?
Bien, señorita García, entonces regresamos una vez más a las actas con la nueva oferta actualizada. ¿Está usted lista para aceptar esa nueva oferta de convenio?
Sí, estoy lista.
Yes, I'm ready.
This is the basis of the ticket, that's an accurate factual basis for our responsible plea, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
¿Acaso se han demostrado todos los hechos para que se pueda declarar si su señoría ha sido estipulado?
Sí.
Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
¿Se ha estipulado una causa probable para esta audiencia? Si se estipula.
Find you responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10, $135. When can you pay this?
Bueno, entonces, según esa multa de $135, ¿está usted lista para pagar?
Sí.
Yes.
When can you pay the 135, ma'am?
Okay, entonces puede pagar los 135.
Ok. ¿Cómo sería el pago? O bueno, ¿dónde se realiza el pago?
How or where would I be able to make a payment?
You can pay it at the DivDad kiosk. I'm told you can give that out to your phone. They have the kiosk in the Myers and stuff like that. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Del Estado o bien puede dirigirse a la corte.
Ok, muchas gracias.
When can you pay? I need a date.
¿Cuándo pudiera pagar usted? ¿Me puede dar una fecha?
El día de mañana.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'll give you till Monday to get it paid. August 5th, pay it. By then, we'll close it out. There's nothing further, man. Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Le voy a dar hasta el 5 de agosto, el lunes, para que pueda hacer este pago por completo. Entonces, buena suerte. Ya terminamos, concluimos este asunto.
Quisiera saber, ¿me llegó otra notificación sobre una nueva corte? Esa ya se quedaría cancelada, ¿verdad?
So I received another notification about an additional hearing. Would that be now canceled?
It's got these case numbers on there that's canceled. I don't see anything else under your name.
Si tiene incluidos estos números de caso, están retirados. De otra forma, no veo nada más a su nombre.
Ok, gracias.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga buen día.
¿Me puedo retirar?
May I leave?
No, you may not. We have Mr. Gavia.
Okay, 1 second, Your Honor.
I went to a second parent meeting, it's still buffering. So I went to it to the Zoom meeting, it say parent meeting, it's still buffering.
All right, Ms. Pena, you're free to leave. Have a great day.
Could be, it's just saying parent meeting, it's just buffering.
Mr. Barry, where's the interpreter?
He's here. He's muted. Unmute, sir. Interpreter.
We're ready on Garrett and Gordon.
Back on the record with Garrett. The offer, did you ever get an updated offer from Ms. Garrett?
There was no updated offer. Ms. Garrett and I discussed it. We are respectfully requesting trial and or formal hearing date.
A trial and formal hearing. Okay, that's what you want to do, Ms. Garrett?
I I'm here. I'm here. I apologize, Your Honor. I'm here.
On a
I
trial?
believe so, yes.
Well,
Pardon?
you gotta know so. You can't believe so. You already spoke with the lawyer. What do you want to do?
Yes. Yes,
All
that
right.
would be my answer.
Trial, October 25th, 2024. Hanging out now. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. He's in here now. Connect him to audio too.
Okay.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Sorry, Your Honor, what time?
October 25th at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Same to you.
We need to get Miss Cox in here because I let her go.
I was thinking, let her go back.
Yeah, I should have. All right, Gordon, yeah, he's just all over the place. I don't know where. Gordon, let's go back on the record with Gordon.
Your Honor, my client has been advised of her rights and the offer. She's prepared to enter a plea. Ms. Garrett, you were free to leave.
Thank you.
You want to take the deal, Miss Gordon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is she gonna make the elements up for an allowing?
She is, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did. I'm sorry.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
Just about, I'll wait till you're finished.
No, that's the question.
She advised me of the, of having to pay $240. I just wanted to know, can I pay it, by August the 21st?
Well, that doesn't have anything to do with your rights. Do you understand the rights?
Oh, yes, I do understand the rights. I apologize. Yes.
You don't have any questions about the rights?
No, I do not.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what, you know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up. You know that?
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 1st, 2024 at around 1:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Cornerstone. Did you have an occasion on that day well, you may not have. Did you own a 2010 Ford on that day?
Yes, a Ford Edge, I did.
You own that Ford Edge, and did you allow someone to drive that Ford Edge?
I did, yes.
And you allowed that person to drive that Ford Edge knowing that that person did not have a valid driver's license, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client guilty as charged. $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. And stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, now let's talk about the money.
Okay.
What were you going to say?
I wanted to know, can I pay it by August the 21st?
Yes. Come back August the 23rd at 8:30. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up, because if you pay it by the DivDeck kiosk, or if you come down and pay it in person, I'll see it instantly. You won't have to show back up. But if you want to see it through, I'll dismiss the case if it's paid. August 23rd at 8:25 is the next date. All right.
Okay, I have another question about a hearing that I got for October the 15th. I don't have to, at 2024, I don't have to show up for that, right?
Same case numbers?
Well, the only one change is the last number. Instead of 4-1, it's 4-2.
You don't have to show up for that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Judge Perkins.
Have a great day, man. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
You're welcome. Have a great weekend.
Okay, you as well.
Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
I'm sorry, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter, ID Q21121.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus, I gotta give me the correct pronunciation, Duvar Gavia, that's Gavia, excuse me, IA, and the case number is SP 1597680, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
El abogado Berry se presentó representando al acusado. El juez preguntó cuál era su nombre. Diga su nombre en voz alta.
Duber Alexander Gaviria Taborda.
Gavia.
Duber Alexander.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer is going to be pleading straight up to the 31 miles an hour over, 4 points on his license and $195. The other 2 cases dismissed.
Ok, la oferta que le han hecho es que usted se tiene que declarar culpable que iba a más de 30 millas más alta de la velocidad permitida, que pondría 4 puntos en su licencia y la multa sería $195.
I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with them and let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Ok, lo van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado. Oprime el botón donde dice join para que vaya al cuarto con el abogado.
Your Honor, where does the gentleman appear on the docket?
He doesn't appear on there. He's got a 31 over, a no ops, and a no proof of insurance. He's got a Texas address.
Okay. Thank you.
Ms. Gavia, do you need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Very well. Good morning to you. All right. You ready, Ms. Harris? This is
Right.
This is kind of the ones that just get me right here. Are you ready, Ms. Harris?
Ready.
This is the city of Detroit versus Levance Lamar Golden. Case number SP 1069011, SP 1072811, SP 1072934, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 107-43021, SP 109-3434, 2, SP 11-4132-8, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 11-48896, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1220758, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 2931231, SP 1368588, SP 1385981, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 138950, 2, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1426789 strike that 19 39 89 79 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Golden, please state your name for the record.
Levance, Lamar Golden.
Today is the date and time set for a
Show cause. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I think your client is a danger to himself and everybody on the road. This is one of the worst driving records I've ever seen. This is ridiculous. He's the type that he disregards everything. He thinks he's the only person out here. He doesn't care what the street law says, or stop signs, running red lights, speeding, everything that you can possibly get, including no license, no insurance, no registration. His driving record is 32 pages long. Put him in a breakout room. Let's go. Join the room.
And before I join that room, Your Honor, I did attempt to speak with Ms. Gavia via teacher. I did send her a copy of an advice of rights for her to review. She may have documents to show the court.
All right, let's do that. He can wait.
I'm sorry, one moment.
City of Detroit versus Yulissa Gavia. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
Your Honor, I believe she stepped away to get her documents.
Case number SP 1563712, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gavia, please state your name for the record.
Yulissa Gavia.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Would you have some documents to show me, ma'am?
Yes, one moment.
If the background is on, you have to turn the background off.
Like blur it? Oh.
No, you're blurred. I think it's blurred. You have to turn your background off so it's not blurred, because I won't be able to see your documents. Gunter? Where's Gunter? He's online. He's online.
Right. As of far as Ayumi, hold on, I might have to put this off.
Ms. Harris, go ahead in the breakout room with her and see what kind of documents she has, please. Join the breakout room, Ms. Gavia.
Okay. Let's move on.
Could I meet with Ms. Mason in number 4?
You may. Gunter he had his video on the first time.
When he was on the video, it like kicked him out.
He an older guy?
Yeah. Anybody? No.
They're not ready now in these notes.
What's the status? Morgan has to see if they come out of here. Talk about that. Okay, tell them to come out of here. It's when they ready. Well, he wants to know, so he can make good. Okay. All right. Randy, Cameron, and Morgan break up and talk.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Golden. Mr. Golden, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Golden was advised of his rights. He was also advised that he may want to take a visit to the Secretary of State to find out what he needs to do to get a valid license. But in the meantime, we are asking that the court would set these matters for trial.
Very well. What you want to do, Mr. Golden?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Golden, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir. But I mean,
Yo estaba el cargador de teléfono. Bajo su cargador. De iPhone. De iPhone. Arriba.
He owes at least 9 no insurance proof civil infractions. One of them is $215. The other 8 are $200 a piece. So that's what, and I tell them that because I tell everybody that, but I truly believe that Mr. Golden should never get a license. That's how I feel, because I feel he's just a danger to everybody. But he can pay those 9 no insurance proofs and see what the Secretary of State says. 8 of them are $240, and the other one is $215. You come back on October 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Mr. Golden, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Mr. Golden, did you hear all of that?
all right, thank you too.
Okay.
Yes, October 24th. October 24th.
October 25th, 9 a.m.
But he also told you what you might want to pay to help get a license. I'm just hoping you heard that part as well.
Yeah, I heard it all.
Okay.
Right, the 25th. The 25th.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right, thanks.
Let's go with Mr. Gavia. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Please let Ms. Cox interpret.
Les dado una oportunidad al señor Gavia que hable con el abogado. Señor abogado, ¿cómo queremos proseguir? Señor Gavia, prenda su cámara y su micrófono.
Your Honor, we are awaiting Ms. Mason's, she's having a conference with the officer with regard to the speeding ticket that my client faces.
No, we aren't, Your Honor. We aren't having, I told him that there is no offer on this one, that I would have to talk to, you should set it for a formal hearing.
Let's stop. We'll stop. We have an interpreter. So go ahead, Ms. Cox, interpret for Mr. Berry first.
El señor Berry dijo que ellos quieren hablar con él quiere hablar con el abogado fiscal a ver si le hacen otra mejor oferta, pero la abogada fiscal contestó que no hay oferta, que si quiere lo puede mandar para otra fecha para hablar con el policía, pero que por hoy esa es la oferta.
Ah, okay.
Now go ahead, Ms. Mason, please.
Yes, I believe Mr. Berry is mistaken. I stated that you should set it for a formal hearing. At the formal hearing, I will talk to the officer. The
Dijo
offer
la
today is,
abogada, dijo la abogada fiscal que lo que le había dicho al abogado defensor es que pusieran otra fecha para una audiencia formal para ella poder hablar con el policía sobre el cargo de que iba a más alta de la velocidad permitida. Pero por hoy,
And yes, Your Honor, I must have heard it wrong. Let us set this matter for a formal hearing.
dijo el abogado, señor Berry, entonces yo tal vez no entendí lo que ella dijo. Vamos a pedir entonces que nos den otra fecha para una audiencia formal.
Ah, ok, sí. Quiero
Alright,
llegar a
yeah.
una
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gabrielle?
¿Eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Gaviria, pedir otra fecha?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. That hearing date / trial date is going to be October 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I'm marking the file, need Spanish interpreter.
La fecha para la próxima audiencia, que sería una audiencia preliminar o principio de juicio, es el 25 de octubre a las 9 de la mañana. El juez dijo, voy a poner aquí que usted necesita un intérprete. Octubre 25, 9 de la mañana.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Que tenga buen día, señor.
Igualmente, buen día.
Same to you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Cox.
Your Honor, I might not need it for anyone else.
I don't think so.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
this is the City of Detroit versus Elvin Oliver Gunter, case number SP 1560918, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gunter.
Mr. Gunter, press *6 on your phone to unmute yourself, please.
Elvin Oliver Gunter.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of Mr. Gunter, Your Honor, this is a trial date.
All right, Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Department.
Okay. Morning to you. I'm gonna put Mr. Gunter in a breakout room with you, Mr. Berry. The offer is in the file. You can speak with Ms. Mason regarding the offer. So I'm gonna put Mr. Gunter in a breakout room. You have to press *6, Mr. Gunter, to unmute yourself. All right. Now I'll put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry after he talks to the city attorney. He'll come in and talk. He's already in there.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Yeah, could you put me in a breakout room with Ms. Mason, please?
You want the judge to be, Mr. Berry in there as well, or you want just Ms.
No,
you and Ms.
just Ms. Mason, that's fine.
There we go. You can speak to Mr. Gunter, Mr. Berry. Go ahead and join the breakout room. Mr. Grant, why are you so late? Mr. Grant, unmute yourself, please.
Sorry about that.
Why are you so late?
I had a couple different court dates, just was confused about the start time.
All right, turn your camera on. Take your hat off. You working?
Yeah, I'm trying to get wait till we get to a stop because I'm in a garbage truck, so we got to pull over to somewhere like safe enough.
You're not driving, are you?
No, I'm not driving.
Well, you don't need to pull over. You don't need to pull over for me.
Oh, okay, okay. You can go.
Do you have a valid license?
Nope, I have my permit. I started my drive around the same time, so my work schedule hasn't permitted me to go take my road test as of yet.
Let's go back on the record, Ms. Gavia. Ms. Gavia, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's going on? Ms. Harris, you're muted.
Sorry. Based on the information that I was able to see from Ms. Gavia, the car is not registered to her. The car's owner sent her registration, a registration document, but it's expired 5/10 of 24.
Was it?
I think I would need
that she got the ticket. Was it good at that time?
I don't know the date of the offense, Your Honor.
I'll give that to you. The date of the offense was 5/18/2024, allegation.
We've discussed this extensively. She's willing to admit to the expired plates pursuant to the recommendation.
Improper plates.
I thought it said expired. Let me go back.
Improper plates and no insurance misdemeanor. $240 fine. No 0 points. It won't abstract, and I'll dismiss upon payment of $240 fine.
So, Ms. Gavia, I was mistaken. I read the wrong thing. So it's still a misdemeanor, but like you said, it is 0 points and it does not abstract to your driving record. I apologize.
And I will dismiss upon payment of $240.
Thank you. May I speak, Your Honor?
You may.
As far as the payment goes, when do I have to pay it?
Well, we haven't gotten there yet. We can
Okay.
talk about that. I'll give you some time on that.
Thank you.
You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Do you, we go in the breakout room, read her advice and rights, Ms. Sayers. Make sure you go over those with her, please. Rejoin the breakout room.
Okay.
Judge, do we have Gunter here?
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, that'll be a dismissal.
Is it dismissal?
Yeah, Gunter, they're leaving the scene of the accident. Elvin.
Yeah, those are dismissed.
Yes, sir.
All right, case dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Mason, could you join room 4?
You checking it?
No, they know I'm here.
All right, Mr. Gardner, your case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. You can come in the courtroom if you need some paperwork.
34. I'm over there in a minute. What did you say, Judge?
You can come in the courtroom if you need some paperwork. Your case is dismissed.
Okay. I'm coming down the hall. I had to go to the other end because I couldn't hear you.
City of Detroit versus James Allen Grant, case number SP 122-01231, SP 128-86631, SP 147-6705, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 145-50581, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
James Allen Grant.
Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Grant does have a valid driver's permit. Mr. Berry, so get him an updated offer with the city, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join breakout room 4. And I'm gonna put you in breakout room 2, Mr. Grant. Wait on Mr. Berry to speak to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gavia.
Your Honor, there's an updated recommendation
What is the other?
to dismiss, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Ms. Gavia. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, I thank you all. You all have a great day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
Amen.
Let me see that it's ready for you. Work this out.
you go, Officer Thomas.
Thank you. Good morning. Take it easy now. All right, Mr. Gunn. Have a great day. Mr. Berry, are you ready on Mr. Grant?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
What you want to do, Mr. Grant?
I want the best trial date as well.
All right, trial date is going to be October 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m., Mr. Grant. Be there, all right?
Okay.
Zoom, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
And what time again you said?
9 a.m. 9 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you. Great day. Thank you. All right, that'll conclude the